Hi guys, Danica here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you an example of how we're using Automator WP for creating some functionality or automated flow for a WordPress membership site. So one of the example here is when a user submits, because we have a jet form, and then when they submit that form, we want to automatically create a group, add a tag to that user in here. So the process ends when the form is submitted. We want to create a group, and as you can see, the group name of the body boss coming from the data that we have from the form. So you can grab that information from here. So as you can see, the form is passing those value, and you can use that in your actions below. So that's a very nice functionality in here. And you can also even customize the group slug based on the value that you have from any information, like example from that trigger. So, and then of course you can tag them in here. Another example is when a webhook is received. So you can create a trigger with a webhook. So it's like Zapier. So you can create a webhook, and when that is received, in this example, you can create a new user, meaning you can register a new user to your website and do more actions below. As you can see, we're trying to make the process as automated as possible, and the data is dynamic coming from the webhook. So I just want to give you that quick example. I'm gonna give you more details in this in the coming videos, but if you're looking for an automator, something like Zapier, or you're wondering like how do you connect a plugin that doesn't like maybe work with WP Fusion or Memberium or any tagging based membership level plugin, you may want to check out Automator WP, because in this example, we are using this with the type form. And when the webhook is received, because Typeform provides a webhook, when that is received, we can do action in the WordPress site. So we hope I can demonstrate that in more details in the coming videos. But again, Automator WP, highly suggest you check it out if you're looking for an automator for your WordPress membership site. And if you have any question, please comment it down below, and I'll do my best to answer that in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.